This is Understanding Elon Musk, and we are looking at the chart of Tesla. Let me get the chart of Tesla a little bit better. Yes, there we are. So let's get rid of the commercial also. Please subscribe and like the video if you like this analyzing of the chart. It's a little bit different as other people because I'm coming from the FX market and I'm just doing this because I like Elon Musk, but he also has a stock, and that is Tesla, and a lot of people are speculating about it. So we see a nice uptrend. I expected this, but I thought it would be a little bit going more down to fill this hole. I think this hole was a problem yesterday, but it didn't touch it even. It went halfway. So we can still expect to visit it again and an up. Also something interesting, look at this. There is here a jump down. You see also a jump down, and normally we get a jump up. So this jump starts around here. We are already almost there. So I think $124, $125. There is the point where the jump can start, and then it can jump up to almost $135. And then this is also a jump here, so it can even jump to $150. So this can be a movement that we can see in a very short time. This can be initiated by quarterly figures. So why didn't make this low yesterday? What I would expect because of this whole, because there was news about Indonesia. There's a rumor that Indonesia maybe gets a gigafactory. I will tell later more about it. I researched it, and I'm half Indonesian, and I'm Dutch from origin. My mother comes from Indonesia, from Java, and during the end of the war she fled with her family to the Netherlands. So I'm half Indonesian, half Dutch, and I'm living in Japan. So so this is a strange combination. Also, my mother was in a Japanese concentration camp, and my father, my uncle on my mother's side, so the Indonesian uncle of mine, he worked on the road of the River Kwai, you know, the big the movie about. He worked in a concentration camp there to build the bridge. He survived the war, and he also moved. He had to flee from Indonesia after the war because he was pro Dutch, and they lived in the Netherlands. There, my mother met my father and had me and my brother. And after a while I went back to Japan. My mother is okay with it. We don't have problems with Japan, so that's something I want to tell. So let's analyze it further. So I expect for the day traders, they have to be ready for a big move up or a visit down. So you have a big movement here. I think we have a big movement for day traders. I think if it hits here, for investors, this is maybe one of the last chance to buy cheap, because I expect the movement to go up, especially when it fills this hole. I think then we are moving up slowly and slowly. Then the next level to break is this upper piece of the resistance. So that could be a little bit difficult. Oh, some headlines here. So I think we are bottoming out of the stock, and for investors, they can buy a little already. I expect if the move, I think it will move up, and buy more if it hits the lower around 100, and if it fills up the hole. If it's touching the hole, maybe set an automatic buy there for a little amount, because I think it touches just a moment and then it will move further up. But I expect it will steadily go up, and then it will jump around here and a jump around here again. So we have here jump, wait, and jump. Then it will take here a longer time to resist. So this movement can be for the quarterly, fourth quarterly, and then maybe this move we'll have to wait for the numbers for the first quarter. And if they are okay, then it is all the way up, because then I see that here we see more spikes up. So then it will be going near the $180. So that's my analyzing of the chart. The Kumo cloud is also going up. The lagging is going up, almost broke here. If it is breaking here, then it is a clearly move up, especially when the those two those moving averages are parallel up. So if these are parallel up, the cloud is up, this breaks here and is going up, then all the 5 indicators are going up, and then we are in a bullish trend, and then we have bottomed out for the moment. We don't know what's going to happen. Something bad can happen, of course, and then everything will be reversed, but for the moment it looks very good for the stock. That's it.